Hey you guys, this is just a quick little new inventory video that I'm doing. I just received this little small batch of these rhinestones that I'm trying out. Now I really like the jelly rhinestones because they have that holographic effect. So my supplier told me about these that they just recently got in. These are holographic, but they have a silver backing to them. So they're supposed to be like even more, they're supposed to stand out like even more. And this color is Sapphire, and this is 5mm. And I think these are just so gorgeous. Look at that. So it's like it has hits of purple in there, greens, and like a blue color. So those are like super cute. And then I have these right here. This color is 5mm. Oh my gosh. This color is light Siam. Siam. It's basically like a pinkish color or like a red, but AB. And it has greens in it, like yellows, and like a reddish color. I am so excited to use these, and I will have these available on my little eBay shop soon. Now this just might be my favorite. Look at this. This is like a zircon blue, like a turquoise type color, and it reminds me of a peacock with the greens, the blues, and like a little bit of a yellow in there, a little bit. And these right here. This is so pretty. It's almost like a pink and a yellowy type color. So it puts you in the mind of like a citrine yellow. That's what I gathered from it. Then I also have a peridot green. I think these are just super cute. And then I also asked for this blue purple. Now they look like they're purple and blue and green at the same time. So they're actually kind of similar to the Sapphire. They're pretty similar. Okay, so I also wanted to show you the pearls I got in. So I already had the white pearls already. I did a video with the white pearls, and it came out so pretty. It was a champagne glass. What I like about these, it comes with 1,440. So that's 10 gross, and it has 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7mm pearls in it. And pearls are a little more expensive than rhinestones. So these are just a little bit more than rhinestones. But look, you guys, I have gold. So this gold, I'm so excited about this gold, and I'm going to be uploading a video very soon to show you some wonderful things you could do with this gold. In addition to the gold, I have some silver. I'm excited about the silver too, but it's something about that gold. But this silver is very pretty. So I just wanted to show you guys what I have in, and I will have some links available if you're interested in any of these. I can't wait to get started with my little crafting. Okay, you guys, just checking in with you with some new inventory. Bye-bye.